Good morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. Finally, the smartwatch here, one of the latest in the Series 7 smartwatch. We have the W17 Smartwatch. So this is from Microware, okay? So we have here the wearable, okay? So this is very popular due to the, okay, full screen display. So we'll see if it is really a full screen display. So as you can see here, it's using the M Active Pro support app, and we have the features here: phone book, alarm clock, music, what else, Bluetooth camera, Bluetooth call, heart rate, find phone, sports, and notifications. Again, this is a W17 Smartwatch, and we're going to have the unboxing of this wearable. If you have any questions regarding this video, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. So we have here, okay, a freebie. So a gel casing for this wearable. So let's check. Okay, seems we do have the silver color. It's a beautiful packaging, by the way. Okay, the W17 smartwatch. So let's check. Let's have the unboxing of the W17 wearable. Okay, so here it says 45mm smartwatch. It's not 44. Again, still under the Series 17 category. Okay, so let's check. So we have here the user manual. So very simple user manual here. We have the operation guide. Yeah, also have the QR code and other instructions here. Okay, it's in English format or English language. Okay, so what else? Okay, so that's it. And what else do we have here? We also have here, nice, okay, a screen protector. Okay, and we have the smartwatch. Oh no, see different color here. Oh no, we don't have a silver but a rose gold, I think, color. Okay, we have the charging cable, magnetic, and we have here smartwatch. Okay, so let's have a closer look. Brush finish here, looking good so far. We have the W17 smartwatch, zinc alloy. We have the speaker here, mic, physical button here, ground button, and at the back we have the power connector here and the sensor. The strap is already attached here, and so far it looks okay. And we have the tempered glass here that goes all the way to the edge of the screen. Okay, again, this is the W17 smartwatch. Okay, so let's check. Okay, so again, ours is from Microware. Okay, so we have here, okay, on our specs page, just search it on Google. We have the W17 here, but it's under the IWO brand here. So let's check and see the specs here before we turn on the smartwatch, if we still have the power left. Okay, so here 1.90 inch IPS LCD. So it is one of the biggest screen display for Series 7 smartwatch in the market. We have 380 mAh lithium ion battery. Okay, so let's proceed to the specs here. Okay, IPS 1.90 inch LCD with a 320 by 320 pixel resolution. Okay, so 45 millimeter smartwatch, not 44. And we have Bluetooth 5.0, 380 mAh battery, IP67 waterproof. We have G sensor, heart rate, blood pressure sensor, as well as oxygen monitoring. We also have the Bluetooth gold, black, rose gold, and silver. So we have here the rose gold. Okay, so it is compatible with Android and iOS. Okay, so let's check. Okay, let's turn it on and see whether we do have the very good or widescreen display. Okay, do we have power left? Okay, seems like it is depleted. So we'll see. Okay, we charge it just for a minute to see whether the smartwatch is working or not. And so far, as you can see here, it's charging. And we'll see if we can turn it on. And of course, check the display of the wearable. Okay, so let's check. Okay, let's turn it on and see. Okay, so seems like it's working, and we have here the English language. Just select it. Okay, we'll see. Let's see it, English. Okay, so we have here the W17 Smartwatch with a full screen display. Okay, so we have here. Okay, so as you can see here, we have a full screen display. So let's check. So not totally, but very slim here on top and on the side, but just a bit wide here on the bottom part. Okay, so again, it is a 1.9-inch IPS LCD screen with a 320 by 320 pixel resolution. So far, it is much wider compared to other Series 7 smartwatches. Okay, again, it looks okay. Very huge menus here. Okay, and just like it says, it is somewhat like a full screen display for the W17 smartwatch. Okay, so far we have a very good impression on the wearable. It is no different when it comes to design to other Series 7 smartwatches. Okay, so the W17 comes in different brands. We have here the Microwear, we have the IO brand, but still it's just this, it is just the same wearable. So we have here the W17 smartwatch. Then it says here we have at least 500 plus watch faces. So we have here, let's check other watch face here. So it seems like we have a lot of preloaded watch faces here. Okay, so this is the popular one, the Apple Watch Lite watch face. Okay, and as you can see, looking like a full screen display, but not totally. Okay, very slim bezel here on top, right and left. Here on the bottom part, it is much wider. Okay, so far so good. Next video, we're going to check on the menus of the wearable as well as the installation of the support app. Again, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. This is your W17 smartwatch. Okay, what we have here is from Microwear. Bye.